Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 8th reveal of Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have the Advent calendar and haven't looked at today's item, you may want to pause this video. I'm opening the window right now. So I'll open up the window, and on the inside there's a picture of two mushrooms. I'll remove the paper seal, and it looks like we have another die set. I'll open up the bag so you can see all the individual pieces. With this set, you'll be able to make two different mushrooms, a larger one and a smaller one. There are also two small clusters of grass that you can put at the bottom of the mushroom. And there are two pieces where you can add polka dots to the mushroom, or you can leave that off. For my card today, the card sketch is from OWH. This is number 159. The pattern paper is from Doodlebug Designs Hello Again collection. I selected this fun rainbow pattern paper for the background. At the bottom of the card, I'm adding a Love from Lizi peel off. This is the teal mirror color in the pinstripe style. I'll wrap the ends around the back, layer the rainbow paper on some white shimmer cardstock, then layer that piece on some light teal cardstock. I'll put ATG tape on the back and add my card front onto a card base. So far, all of the cards I've made using the Advent calendar are American Standard A2 size, 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. And more than likely that won't change. Next, I'll add a circle die cut. The smaller circle, I use some white shimmer cardstock, and the layering circle, I use some vellum. I'll put glue on the back and adhere it to the card. I'm adding this sentiment, Hello Sunshine. This is a cut apart from Doodlebug Designs Hello Again collection. I'll layer it on some pink tone-on-tone pattern paper. And now it's time to assemble the two mushrooms. And these are really easy to assemble. For the background piece of both of the mushrooms, I'm using some white glitter paper from Lawn Fawn. The larger mushroom, I use some dark teal cardstock and light teal cardstock. And for the stems of both of the mushrooms, I selected this peach color that matches the rainbow on the pattern paper. After attaching the stem on the larger mushroom, I'll flip it over, and I'll put some foam dimension on the back side just behind the stem. That way it stays at the same level. Now I'll assemble the smaller mushroom. Again, I have that white glitter paper for the background. That way all of the spots have this beautiful sparkly look. I used the same light teal cardstock for the main portion of the mushroom and the light peach cardstock for the stem. For the two patches of grass, I used some tone-on-tone green pattern paper from this paper collection. I'll adhere both of those pieces at the bottom of the mushrooms. Before adding the two mushrooms on the circle die cut, I'll first attach the sentiment. I'm putting some foam dimension on the very right and left side of the sentiment. Then I'll put glue on the area where it sits on the circle. Then I'll adhere it in place, trying to make sure to get it straight. Now I'll add the large mushroom on the left side and the smaller mushroom on the right side, with the grass sitting on top of that pink panel of the sentiment. To finish off the card, I'll add some gem stickers using leftover gem from my stash. I selected a fun iridescent gem. I'll put 3 in the upper right-hand corner and 2 on the left side of the sentiment. So there is my finished card using the December 8th item from Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I will have links in the description box for items that are still available. And be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 9th reveal and also a card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.